Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix Steam store for not loading. This is the basic problem, then step by step follow to solve this problem, okay? Then first step for restart the PC to get check this error for not fix it to you will continue to the next step, okay? Then second step for run as admin the Steam. Then select the Steam application, then right click to the properties. Next click to the compatibility mode. Then you will click to enable. Then next enable for run as program as an administrator. Then enable to click to apply, click to OK. Then next step for check the network connection. Using for the your device for any one Wi-Fi connection, anyone to get check the your PC to connect or not connect to get check. Then next step for update the network driver. Get to open the device manager. Click to the network adapters, double click to open to see the wireless network adapter, then right click to update driver. Or using for the new Wi-Fi connection to you insert the real-time PCI, then right click to update driver. Okay. Then next step for change the DNS server. Get open the control panel. Click to the network and internet. Next click to the network and sharing center. You will click to the Wi-Fi option. Then you will click to the properties. You will next set it for internet protocol version 4. Click to properties. Then see the new page open it. You will first set it for open an IP address automatically. You will then set for user following DNS server address. You will change the DNS server address for 88888844. Then click to OK. Then next step for Windows Defender Firewall. Then open the control panel. You will click to the Windows Defender Firewall. Then click to the Allowed Apps. You will click to the Change Settings. Then you will set it for the Steam to get enable the private and public. Enable to click to OK. Then this 6 step is finished. This is the problem for it solved it. But not solved to will print the comment. I will tell the more steps to problem solve it. Okay. Then thank you for watching.